Hello to all my friends out there. And I want to thank my followers for the awesome comments. There's a lot of awesome comments, but the two that stand out in my mind was from Child of Jesus that said people should start preparing for themselves, which I agree. No whining. Start preparing for yourself. A lot of times people just don't know what to do. It's just too overwhelming. That's why I do these videos. So before I get to the last part of the yogurt, I want to show you something. Okay, now this is, I've been actually working on these boxes for a couple days. They can get really screwed up. This is my, oh no, spices. My tripod's falling apart in the middle of the video. I've needed a new one for a long time. Okay, so you can see I put all of my spices that I don't use every day. This is my old soda. You saw that. I save that. I save everything. Everything. Even if I don't think I would ever use it, I save it because I might need it. You never know. You might want to give some away. You might want to be generous. Give your stuff that's kind of old away first. You know, if you don't really want it and somebody doesn't have any, you can give it away. Okay, so now let me show you something. You've probably seen these making a mess. These are my spices, and these are rather clean, but they get screwed up, you know, just being in the kitchen. And I could have these ready to go in a minute. They're ready to go. To the side of those, I have these, Ricky got me using these. A few shots of this cooking spray really comes in handy. Salt and pepper, and you want to stockpile salt and pepper. I think it was yesterday I bought these for the stockpile, and I have to put those in one of the baggies. Okay, to the side of my spices, I have some various vitamins that I take, and it's like the food in the refrigerator. I just keep taking them until they're all gone, and then, you know, I buy more when I start getting low. Okay, now, I want to mention something really. Okay, now, this is a list that I made. Shelf-stable milk, juice, grains and cereal, bread, cereal, rice and pasta, peanut butter, beans, canned meat, poultry or fish, canned fruits and vegetables. This was the food boxes, the government food boxes. So this is a good way to start on the stockpile. Okay, now for the good part. One of the good parts. One of the followers, Mandy Fortune, and I will be making this, Mandy, and I posted this on my Twitter. And this is a bread recipe. And this is everything in the stockpile. So that means with my spice box, with my flour, this is so easy to make. I think I got it right. 400 grams flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon soda, 300 milligrams milk, and you can just Google under Safari to do the conversions. 2 squirts lemon juice. Put flour and soda in bowl. Put milk and lemon juice in a jug to curdle. After 5 minutes, add milk to flour. Stir and mold into a loaf. Preheat oven to gas mark 4. I usually bake bread 350. Grease loaf tin or cake tin. Bake 45 minutes. And then she has down here cheese and herbs. I want to thank you, Mandy, from England. You know, when I got followers from England, I was so excited. I thought she was from Canada. Canada has tons of snow. But I guess Canada always has tons of snow. Okay, so now the yogurt making. I'm gonna come back for the yogurt making.